Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Roblox and navigating straight to your profile, open Settings, and then the Avatar or Profile Editor. Once there, look for the Emotes tab or the slot where that emote appears. You need to identify whether the emote is an equipped emote, a bundled accessory, or part of an outfit. Once identified, make sure you have the right editor open and selected. This step exposes the Remove option so you can take the next actionable step immediately. Now you remove the emote. Select the Equipped Emote tile and choose Remove or Unequip. You'll see the change in the preview. If the emote is embedded in an outfit, open that outfit, remove the emote line item, and save the outfit. This ensures it won't reappear. Make sure to preview your avatar after saving so you can verify the emote is gone. If you use multiple devices, sync or repeat these steps where your account edits are cached. To finish, save all edits and refresh the client. Sometimes the change doesn't show until you log out and back in. If the emote persists, clear your browser cache or force quit and reopen the Roblox app to refresh cached avatar data. Make sure to check on another device to rule out local caching. If it still won't remove, capture a screenshot and contact Roblox support. Explain the steps you took and include the image so they can invest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.